All about Heuchera plum pudding, your Fragen answered. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to dish on Heuchera plum pudding, a stunning perennial that's both easy on the eyes and low on maintenance. This little champion thrives in a variety of conditions, making it a perfect choice for gardeners of all experience levels. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a curious newcomer, I've got the answers to your burning questions about Heuchera plum pudding. What makes Heuchera plum pudding special? Heuchera plum pudding, also known as Coral Bells plum pudding, boasts gorgeous foliage that lives up to its name. The ruffled, deep-lobed leaves come in a mesmerizing mix of colors. New growth emerges a glossy, almost metallic burgundy, maturing to a rich plum with a hint of chocolate. The undersides of the leaves add another layer of intrigue, boasting a deep, almost black, purple. This color play continues throughout the season, making Heuchera plum pudding a constant source of fascination. Plus, it's a clump-forming perennial, meaning it spreads slowly, creating a beautiful ground cover or adding texture to borders. Sun or shade. Heuchera plum pudding's happy place. Heuchera plum pudding is a versatile fellow when it comes to light. While it can tolerate full sun, it truly shines, pun intended, in partial shade. Aim for an area that receives around 4 hours of morning sun and dappled shade in the afternoon. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves, especially in hot climates. Growing Heuchera plum pudding, a piece of cake. Here's the beauty of Heuchera plum pudding. It's not fussy about soil. It thrives in well-draining soil, but can tolerate clay or rocky conditions as well. The key is to ensure the soil doesn't stay soggy. Planting is a breeze. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball and amend the soil with some compost if needed. Water it well after planting and keep the soil evenly moist, especially during the first growing season. Once established, Heuchera plum pudding is quite drought-tolerant. Does Heuchera plum pudding need fertilizer? Not really. Heuchera plum pudding is a low feeder and doesn't require frequent fertilization. A light application of compost in spring is usually enough. Keeping Heuchera plum pudding looking its best. Pruning tips. Heuchera plum pudding requires minimal pruning. In early spring, you can remove any dead or damaged leaves to encourage new growth. You can also trim off the flower stalks after they bloom to maintain a tidy appearance. Winter woes. Protecting Heuchera plum pudding. Heuchera plum pudding is a tough cookie, hardy down to USDA zones 4 to 9. In colder climates, you can apply a light mulch of shredded leaves or evergreen boughs around the base of the plant to provide winter protection. Sharing the spotlight. Companion plants for Heuchera plum pudding. Heuchera plum pudding plays well with others. Here are some fantastic companion plants to consider. Ferns. Their delicate foliage creates a beautiful contrast with Heuchera plum pudding's bold leaves. Hostas. Their shade-loving nature makes them a perfect match, and the variety of colors and textures adds visual interest. Galium. This airy plant adds a touch of whimsy with its delicate, white flowers. Primulas. These colorful spring bloomers add a pop of color and complement Heuchera plum pudding's foliage beautifully. Heuchera plum pudding versus Heuchera electra, a tale of two beauties. Heuchera plum pudding and Heuchera electra are both popular varieties with stunning foliage. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Color. Heuchera plum pudding boasts a rich plum color with hints of chocolate, while Heuchera electra features a vibrant lime green foliage. Sun tolerance. Heuchera electra tolerates more sun than Heuchera plum pudding. Flower color. Both varieties have delicate white flowers, but Heuchera electra's flowers tend to be more prominent. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and your garden's specific needs. Heuchera plum pudding, the final verdict. Heuchera plum pudding is a low-maintenance, versatile perennial that adds a touch of drama and year-round interest to any garden. Its stunning foliage, adaptability to various conditions, and ease of care make it a winner for gardeners of all levels. So, if you're looking for a plant that packs a punch without demanding constant attention, Heuchera plum pudding is the perfect choice for you.